In this tutorial, I want to show you how to upload your course reserves list from an Excel spreadsheet and how to convert it into Google Sheets. Google Sheets is like an online version of Excel, and with this you can share the spreadsheet with other colleagues who may be helping you to create and update the reserves list, and also to be able to publish it on your library website. The first thing you want to do is to upload your Excel spreadsheet with the course reserves. So you click on the up arrow button here in Google Drive, click on Files, and then you want to look for the file with the course reserves. I just created a sample course reserves list. I'm going to upload it. And you notice here it's listed and there's a green X beside it. Alright. Once you click on it, it shows you an example of what it looks like. The next step you need to do is to click on the blue Open button, and you'll see it again. There's another step that you have to take to convert it to Google Sheets. You click on File, and then you'll click on Open with Google Sheets. And by doing this, this converts your Excel spreadsheet into a Google Sheets. So now it's completely online, so you can make changes online, and you're not going to make changes to the original copy you uploaded. Alright? This is very helpful if you're trying to publish a list of book reserves on your library website. This way you can make changes instantly. Whereas if you take a regular Excel spreadsheet, every time you make changes you'd have to upload a new copy. Whenever you make changes on a Google Sheets spreadsheet, the changes are instantly seen by the people who are able to view it. So you can make changes if you want to, you can add, you can delete rows if you need to. You also need to make sure that it's published online and that it's set up so that you can share it with other people. You want to click on File and Share. Okay, by default everything is set to private so only you can view them. Now you can change this so anyone who has the link, you can get a hyperlink to go to this spreadsheet. You can change it to that, or you can change it to public on the web. And I would recommend doing this if you're going to get the HTML code and embed the spreadsheet on a website. So you can click on Save. Alright. You can also add people down here if you want to have editors, or if you want to only allow certain people to view it. You just type in the person's email address and you choose Can Edit, Can Comment, or Can View. And you press Send, and that person's going to get an email notification that they've been added as an editor. Alright, the next step is to actually publish it to the web. Again, you want to click on File and Publish to the web. Alright, and start publishing. Okay, and what this does, this publishes it to the web, and it gives you a link. So if you want, you can copy and paste this link on your library website or learning management system. Okay, the next step, if you want to actually embed this on a website, you're going to have to edit the HTML code. And it's pretty simple to do, even if you don't have a lot of experience with HTML. I'm going to click on File, and I'm going to click on Publish to the web. Alright, and I'm going to copy the link here, and then I'm going to pull up Blogger. This is what I use for this blog. So whatever content management system you're using, like WordPress or any kind of website builder, all you need to do is just very basic editing. What I have here is the HTML for embedding. This is called an iframe in HTML code. Alright, and you'll notice most content management systems and blogging software, they have an HTML mode here. Alright, and this lets you see the code on the backside. So if you're in the compose mode, you'll use it like a word processing document. And again, the HTML lets you just see the backside of what's going on behind the scenes. I am just going to paste this link here. All right. And I found this code online. All you have to do is replace where it says the link with the link to that particular Excel spreadsheet. All right. Now you've got to choose a width, and you can either express this in pixels or you can do percent. So I'm going to do 75% for the height. I'm going to make it 90%. And again, this is normally trial and error. So sometimes I will type in an amount, and when I actually see it, I say, well, you know, it needs to be smaller. It needs to be bigger. All right. So I've got this set up the way I want it. All right. Now keep in mind, we're still in the compose mode. We're not in the HTML mode. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually copy this entire code from iframe tag to iframe tag. I'm going to go into the HTML. I'm going to delete everything here, and then I'm going to paste the iframe HTML tag, and I'm going to click back to toggle to the compose mode. Alright, and when I do that, you'll now see that the Excel spreadsheet in Google Forms has been uploaded. Alright, so that's just a very basic introduction as to how you can take a spreadsheet, convert it to Google Sheets, and then upload it to a website. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.